Hello there! Isa ka ba sa mga taong mahilig manood ng mga series o ng mga movies ng paulit-ulit? Or mahilig kang makinig sa music ng paulit-ulit and sometimes it takes you years na pinakinggan mo lang yung same track all over again? I think it's also a common trait among people who have ADHD. And I have realized na, yeah, maybe this is a possible trait that we all share, especially kapag meron kang ADHD. Kasi when you watch something over and over again, or when you listen to a music that you're familiar with, I think it brings you comfort, lalo na kapag, alam mo yun, hindi mo kailangan ma-stress to a certain tune, o hindi mo kailangan ma-stress sa plot twist na maaari mong ma-encounter kapag nanonood ka ng bagong movie. And maybe siguro it brings us assurance of what will happen next, lalo na kapag pinanonood mo yung favorite series mo, 'di ba? For me, for example, after a long day at work, I'd rather watch a series na napanood ko na ng ilang beses kaysa manood ng bagong movie. Kasi feeling ko talaga, nasa stress talaga ako, lalo na kapag hindi ako ready doon sa plot twist. Or kapag hindi ako ready doon sa genre ng movie. Like for example, kasi si Hubby, nagda-download siya ng mga movies na pinanonood namin. And most of the time, yung mga movies na pinanonood namin is hindi ko alam yung plot, hindi ko alam yung trailer. So, talagang he totally surprises me with the new movies. And most of the time, nasistress ako. Kasi lalo na kapag may mga plot twist na hindi ko ini-expect. So, I think it's a common trait among us with ADHD, lalo na kapag gusto mo lang magpahinga, gusto mo mag-unwind, you'd rather watch a series na napanood mo na dati. And siguro, dun sa mga movies na alam mo na kung ano yung mangyayari, it brings you certainty, di ba? Kasi tayo mga tao may ADHD, mahirap para sa atin yung mga bagay na hindi certain o hindi sigurado. Kasi mataas yung emotional dysregulation natin eh. So, sa maliliit na bagay na ganun, kapag merong certain level of degree ng assurance or alam mo na kung anong mangyayari, it brings you somehow a level of comfort, if you know what I mean. So, I don't know if this is like a common trait for people who have ADHD or karamihan sa atin ganito. So, comment down below if you are and let me know your thoughts. So, yun lang.